How to add an event. To add an event into Foundations, select Events on the left-hand menu. You're presented with 6 events that you could add: accidents, meals, medicine, moments, nappies, or sleeps. If I select accident, it's asking me who is involved, and I've got my selection of children. Select the children and select the room where the accident occurred and click on Confirm. Select the date and the time this has happened. If you'd like to add a photograph, you can click on Add Photo and add media to the event. You can write a note about what's happened. If you're happy with this, you can save and post this. This has then posted that event to your child's timeline. We're going to have a look at meals now. Again, select my child and the room and click on Confirm. I can select the date of when the meal was and what time. I can add a photograph of the meal. I could say what type of meal it was. So, for example, this was breakfast. I could say it was a bacon sandwich. How much of the bacon sandwich did the child eat? And if I wanted to add another event, maybe it was a drink. Again, and how much did they drink? You keep adding as many items as you like. If you want to add a note about the meal, you can do so, and when you're happy, click Save and Post. Looking at medicine, selecting the child, selecting where it happened, again the date and what time the medicine was administered. Write a note about what happened, so what type of medicine was it, maybe the quantity, and once you're happy, click on Save and Post. We're going to look at moments, so you'll be able to select your child, what room it took place in, and click on Confirm. Again, it's asking for what date the moment happened and what start time. You'll be able to add media to this, so a picture of them playing in the park, for example, or it might be a wow moment that they've stood up or they've taken their first step. Write notes about what happened beneath it, and again, when you're happy, click on Save and Post. So this is posting that event to your child's timeline. Select nappy and the child again and the room. Again, date and time. What type of nappy was it? And if there's any notes, again, once you're happy, save and post. And your last event that you can enter into Foundations are sleeps. So the time that they slept and for how long for. So here you can have a start time and an end time. Any notes, and save and post. If I look at children, I've added all those events to Becky. I can now see in my child's record that I've got a timeline, and this shows the timeline of events that I've just entered, and they've all been posted. If you need to edit any events, so you can edit using the pencil tool, and if you need to remove any, that's the delete icon with the bin there.